Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can pin chat on Telegram. So just like you can see on my Telegram account, I have 5 different chats being pinned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have new messages here, that's why you can see the pin. So let me come back and you can see I've pinned the top 5 of them. So these are all airdrops. I don't want to miss updates from them. So I think pinning chat is very necessary sometimes if you don't want to miss any updates from that community or chat. You can do this with a personal person, let's say a contact. You can pin their chat as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So to pin a chat, if you are using a free version, you can pin up to 5. I'm using a free account here, which is a free version. So I'm able to pin up to 5 different chats. But if I'm using premium, if you're on a premium version, you can pin a lot of chats. So now let's get going with the tutorial of pinning a chat. So now I long press it like this, and then I select the chat. I come here and you can see the pin there. So now I pin and they are saying my limit reached. So I'd have to unpin one of them. I think major is done. So good. So I have 4 pinned now, and now let me try pin embed. Good, so it's here. So I've pinned bed and it's on top now. So that's it on how you can pin chat. So if you want to unpin a chat too, you just need to long tap on that chat. You tap here and then you unpin it. That's how it goes. So this is how you pin chat and then you unpin chat on Telegram. So if you are new here, kindly do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here too, I'll say thank you for visiting us once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.